Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Wednesday's Learning. For today, your job is to complete this remote learning design project planning sheet, which I have included for you in Google Classroom. Basically, what we're going to be doing is you are taking all of the learning that you have done on the design fundamental videos, and you are going to be applying them on a design project, which is 2 business card designs. Okay, so I'll underline that for you there. So your first task is to come up with an idea about what career or job you want to have when you're an adult. Some of you want to be teachers, some of you want to be policemen, some of you may want to be a electrician, an auto worker, auto mechanic, maybe an engineer of some sort, maybe a photographer for a magazine or a graphic designer. I don't know, maybe you want to be a nurse. But most people in their jobs have business cards. A business card, I'll show you some examples as we go along. So you have to think about the job that you want because that job choice is going to be very important. Your whole design project is going to be based on that idea. So first come up with your idea, number 1. Number 2, next you're going to think about all the things we have learned watching the YouTube design videos. Now reflect on what you've learned before you answer each question. So one of the things that we have gone over in the videos, and I'm going to play a quick little clip for most of them for you guys. This, for example, is an example of a business card. Okay, so here you can see they have graphics that give the idea of bubbles. They have 1, 2, 3 different fonts, which we'll get to in a minute, but let's just hear what the video has to say. Let's go back to that business card, and I'm just going to show you, and this will be tomorrow, the things that you need to have. So it's the name of the business. Your name will be on there. It's going to be the address, website, phone number. I'll give you information tomorrow about how to make that stuff up, and then some kind of branding information so we know what we're looking at. Okay, so it basically looks like the same ratio and size as a Google slide. So we will be making this on Google Slides. This video here talks a little bit about color. So here in the beginning, you can see that sometimes using too much color can be very distracting to the eye. If you add in a little bit of monochromatic by grays, whites, blacks, and then a slight little splash of color, that makes a big difference. So I really want you to be intentional with your use of color. This video talked about text, and this is really important, guys. So listen to this. So if you want to do some searching on business cards on the internet, you can do that as well. And then this last video, guys, I want you to really think like a designer. Layout composition is going to be really important for this because you're getting a lot of information in a small amount of space. So you're going to want to come back to this video if you need help, but proximity is going to be the most important. So let's look at their business card idea right here. So you can see here how the items are very spaced out, the images and the text, and then look what happens when you change the proximity. Way easier to read. So this is a great example of a business card. There's the name, there's the job, there's the contact information, and the graphics. So basically what we're doing today, guys, is we are planning this out. What is the tone you want your business card to convey? What fonts, what colors, what images. I'm going to post this video for you to watch, and this Google Doc is your classwork for today. Please turn it in before midnight tonight. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.